Thanks, Chris. Good morning, San Diego. My name is Hisham. This is my colleague Azlan. We're from Rseven Mobile. The mobile phone is our most personal device. It knows the calls we make, the SMS we receive, and the pictures we've taken. In fact, the phone is the closest thing to a personal recorder of our daily activities. What Rseven does is preserve all the data on a secure and private website and show it to you in a coherent and easy-to-use way. And we call Rseven a live cache service. Let me show you what I mean. After logging in to Rseven, you can see all my phone activities in a timeline, arranged by day and by the hour. Early this morning, I sent a text message to Amy. I called Azlan. He called me back. I sent a text message to him. He sent me back an SMS. And the pictures here are shown according to the time it was taken. Late afternoon yesterday, we had a reception outside, and I took a picture. Let me try that again. Hang on, it's logged out just now. Okay, let me log back in again. Okay. Late yesterday afternoon, I took a picture. Hang on. Okay, late yesterday afternoon, I took a picture of my yacht. And it's parked outside right now. For every item, you can write notes to describe it. You can create tags for organization purposes. As you can see here, it's my yacht. You can share the item to your groups, and it will appear in the group members' timeline. Or you can send it to external websites such as Facebook. Okay. If I want to recall what I did last week, I can just browse back in time using timeline. And last week on Friday, I was driving through the Golden Gate Bridge and taking a picture at the same time. Obviously wrong. And around lunchtime on Saturday, I remember, I can quickly recall that I had lunch with Amy based on these few SMS and calls that I got from her. So it's quite clear now how the timeline works, like a personal recorder of your daily life. Now let me show you how Rseven handles contacts. The contacts are shown on the left-hand side of the screen. I'm going to click on a contact, Amy. There are tabs here at the top. You can use the personal, work, or home tab to edit the details of the contact. Any changes made here will be reflected on your phone when you next sync. If you have more than one phone, it will be reflected in all your phones. Rseven actually supports multiple phones. If I click on the conversation tab, I can see all the calls and SMS I've had with her presented in a threaded view, which is searchable. The media tab shows all the images that's tagged with her, Amy. And finally, the connection tab that shows all the stats of my calls and SMS with her presented in the charts and graphs. With this data, Rseven can actually sort your contact according to the strength of the connection. If I click on strength here, and as you can see, Amy is ranked higher than Mom. Sorry, Mom. But that doesn't tell the whole picture, because if you look at the chart here, it shows that most of the calls are from me to Amy, so not much love there from Amy. For contacts, you can actually share with your group member. It will appear in their contact list and in their phone when they next sync. Okay. By now, you're wondering, how does Rseven get all the data to the phone? The answer is the Rseven mobile app. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to call my colleague Azlan now. Okay. Come on, AT&T. It's calling. Okay. It's ringing. Hey, dude, guess what? I'm on stage at DEMOfall 09 presenting. I'm sorry about that. I'll talk to you later. Okay, make it a short call. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do on the phone. I'm going to start the Rseven mobile app. It's loading all the call logs. Go back to the main page. Click archive. I'm going to connect using the Wi-Fi on the stage. Okay, it's connecting now. It's uploading all the call logs. Okay. done. I'm going to go back to the website, click timeline, go to today, and you can see the call I made to Aslan just now here. Okay. Hang on, let me see again. Let me refresh again. Okay, that's right. You can see the details. If I click on the call, I can see the details. Now I'm going to click on the playback button.
Ringing. Hey, hello? Hey, dude, guess what? I'm on stage at DEMOfall 09 presenting. 09, but I got that case. So what's up with that? Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'll talk to you later.
That's right. Rseven can record all your outgoing and incoming calls, including calls to your voicemail. I bet now you believe me when I tell you that Rseven is a live cache service. To recap, Rseven is a live cache service. Come and see us at booth number 41. Thank you very much.